Hello internet. So here I am again with my layout, and as you all may know that I have been building my this very small layout. It is a 2 by 4 feet layout, and it's very compact layout for N scale. It doesn't give you a lot of room to do the scenery, but I still managed to put some tunnels there, put some bridge, and do some ramps. Also put some scenery stuff like rocks and terrains. Uh, so I in this video I just want to show that the coloring process I have done for the rocks and the terrains. I initially wanted to have uh, very few rocks, but as I tried to do them, I was very enjoying the process, and I just basically thinking, well, why not put some rocks and then mix them with the grass fields, and then that gives us a variation that and it looks a good combination. So I just painted the rocks. These are I'm not sure what type of rocks these are, but I just searched the internet, and then I just found that these rocks may look good with my layout. So the coloring is done very the coloring is process is very simple. You may watch the video which I have made for this particular terrain coloring. um, I'm going to give link here. So basically what I did is I again uh, scratched the surface of this scratched the surface of the terrain and added them after I have done my last plaster stuff. So because I was not happy with the way they were looking, and there were no enough detail to make them look and make out the scale that they are in. So I just did scratch the most cliffing area, and then added those rock faces um, after the coloring, the basic coloring is done, and then I did colored. So you can see that they now they look very much better than what they were looking in my last video. So here's the I also applied the color, the basic ground color here, but that's gonna be changing because I'm going to put um, some dust, the ground dust, the sand, a very fine dust, so it looks like it's a natural color and not artificial color. So that's I'm going to do next. I'll also be putting the ballast, and I hope then uh, to go with the static grass and the trees and all that other stuff for the scenery, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.